Okay. Phone filled up too much with the memory. My memory was kind of full from over the weekends of me doing a lot of the taking pictures and stuff, my daughter and everything else. So that's basically what he's doing is right now, putting on the patch on the inside of it. Well, it's been marked that, and then it actually grind it off a little bit, make a little rough on the inside, that way the patch can actually stick inside the tire and not actually come off.
Ready?
So it's pretty much a quick job, unless it's something that's really big off in the tire that have to put a big boot on, which is not. So it's 2 patches off in there. Man, it is really hot out here where I'm at. I'm surrounded by nothing but all trees. Everywhere you look is just nothing but all trees. Everywhere you look.
Sí.
So now that the O-ring is on, they put on the last ring, the outside ring.
Miró, primo, que tenía algo de aluminio que. ¿Dónde?
You see it, huh, compadre? The little piece? So actually they hit the last ring to make sure it locked itself in place. So the first part of the video, my phone memory filled up too fast. I took so many pictures and videos over the weekend with my daughter. It was her birthday and I was doing my vacation. She just turned 22. So you know how that goes there, father and daughter. You know how that goes there. She has to have everything. So she basically got almost everything that she wanted almost. So this is basically how they do the tire service. This is how they fix the tires, patch tires, and everything else. Like I say, this is Nando tires. He does everything. Bobcats, loaders, 18-wheelers, cars, trucks. But I don't really think that he's really that big on the cars and trucks, but he are really big on the loaders and bobcats and other stuff like that, 18-wheelers and stuff like that. Like I say, this is the little, there's the little gadget that he uses there. Surrounded by trees, man, and a little small road. As y'all can see, there's cars behind these trees here. There's cars behind other trees. They're all over the place. All right.